today's job.
What can we say about this one then?
Well, what can we say?
It's nice looking. What colour is this? Nardo grey?
I'm not really sure. It's a grey of description. Not the first one we've seen, or maybe not necessarily all this colour, but they've seen grey ones, haven't we? K24, Frank converted this car. Customer wasn't necessarily expecting a figure as such, but we did a standard pull as the car was, as it came into us, it made 240. We were all pretty much happy with that as a first pull.
Yeah.
It's got the RDX 440 injectors in it. It's got a 2.5-inch exhaust on it. It's got a 2.5-inch induction kit on it, which again I don't believe is necessarily the best for the power for this car. It's also got the tactical racing inlet manifold on it, which again,
that's what it looks like.
Isn't our favourite. I mean, I'm not saying it is that, but it looks like that as far as we can tell. Standard throttle body. So I think there are some areas on this car that could be improved to make some more power.
Agreed. Yeah.
We sort of finished on 251, I think.
251, but in that mid-range, we've made 50 brake horsepower.
Yeah, we made sort of 50 brake horsepower in the mid-range, so we're really, really happy with it. But we feel like a car like this, obviously with the Frank build on it, should certainly be on a 275, if not 3-inch exhaust, 2-inch primaries with a 3-inch collector or a 275 collector. Certainly, I will be going for a Skunk 2 inlet manifold, be it the Pro Series or the Ultra Series. I'd definitely be going for a Skunk 2 throttle body to get more air in, and I'd definitely be going for a 3.5-inch induction kit. I think realistically at that point, if we were making the 260 to 265, that's exactly where I'd expect this car to be. But like I say,
more to be had. More to be had. If he wants more, we can have more.
Yeah, that's right.
But yeah,
it just might take another £2,000.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right. www.dynodazeperformanceparts.com.
Yeah.
No, but on a serious note though, this car has come in and gained 50 brake horsepower in the mid range.
Yeah,
that's where it counts.
We've gained top end as well, and obviously the car wasn't matte and had a set of injectors in that it wasn't matte for. So when all said and done, we've improved this car no end. So I'm happy with that.
I am. I love it.
Should we look at the graph?
I'd like to look at the graph with you, Richard. Let's do that. Okay, so red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. And if you can see, here's the area that I'm talking about, which is your 50 brake horsepower gain, which is phenomenal. We've made some top end gains as well, extended the rev range, lowered the Vtec, and we finish on 251 brake horsepower, which is 205 at the wheels. So there we go. Richard's doing a little bit inside there, and he'll probably turn the light out. The green symbol light out, turn that out. And that's the end of this video, guys. So thanks for sticking around. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we shall see you on the next one, won't we, buddy?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. There's that. That's where I like him, on his knees.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.